Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that could transform the way small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, handle equipment maintenance. Let's talk about how artificial intelligence is streamlining operations and reducing downtimes through predictive maintenance. In today's competitive business environment, minimizing equipment downtime is indispensable. Many companies have traditionally relied on reactive maintenance, where they fix it when it breaks, or preventive maintenance, which means regular checks regardless of the actual need. But these methods can be inefficient and costly. Here enters predictive maintenance, a game changer powered by AI, which delivers timely insights by predicting failures before they happen. Predictive maintenance moves past these older approaches by using sensors and IoT devices to collect real-time data from machinery. By analyzing things like temperature fluctuations and vibrations, advanced AI algorithms can forecast potential failures. This is not about fixing what's broken, but preventing breaks before they happen. As these machine learning models evolve with more data, their accuracy improves, allowing for better informed maintenance decisions. So, why should SMEs care about this tech? Imagine drastically reducing operational disruptions because problems are caught early. Not only does this proactive method extend the lifespan of your equipment, but it also helps schedule repairs during non-peak hours, sparing you from unexpected hiccups in production. With AI-driven predictive maintenance, businesses enjoy more than just fewer breakdowns. They benefit from transforming raw data into strategic insights, which aid in efficient resource allocation and smarter decision-making. This level of efficiency translates to cost savings, as companies can invest those additional funds into growth initiatives and innovation. Embracing AI doesn't just enhance operational capability, it opens up pathways for SMEs to remain agile and competitive, especially as markets and technologies continue to evolve. With AI, the maintenance strategy shifts from reactive and time-based to proactive and data-driven, making resource allocation more precise and optimizing productivity. The integration of AI technologies into maintenance not only elevates the reliability of operations, but also positions companies for a future where technology and efficiency go hand in hand. For SMEs, engaging with AI isn't just about staying afloat, it's about setting the stage for sustained success. As you consider implementing AI solutions in your business, start with evaluating your current systems. Seek expert guidance, explore IoT integrations, and aim for continuous improvement. This transition will require some strategic adjustments, but promises significant rewards. By adopting AI-driven predictive maintenance now, SMEs can ensure they're not just reacting to the market's demands, but leading the charge in innovation and efficiency. Embrace this change and watch your operations become smarter, your costs lower, and your business more resilient. This could very well be your next step towards long-term success in a rapidly transforming world.